Thank you for being with us and watching our pitch for Vista for the Seas, presented by Vista Capital Services. The origin of this idea for Vista for the Seas emerged from our work at Vista Capital Services. We don't want to be just a mortgage broker. We want to be able to make an impact and go beyond. And we want to impact the communities that are underserved and the communities that we serve. Recognizing the parallels between access to financial tools and access to environmental data, we saw an opportunity to extend our impact. The oceans is a crisis and it's real. Yet many coastal residents have no way to see or respond uh, to what's coming. This project was born from a desire to bridge that gap, using technology and education to make ocean intelligence local, timely, and actionable. Our vision is to create a world where every coastal community, no matter how underserved, has the knowledge and tools to protect their ocean's livelihood and future. Our mission is for Vista for the Seas to empower coastal communities by real time localized insights. Through AI technology, education, and outreach, we help people take informed actions to build coastal resilience and safeguard marine ecosystem. While 100,000 won't fund the entire project, it will start the project and it will make a difference. Will help us launch and test our MVP in 2 to 3 coastal communities, build initial multilingual alerts, dashboard, and functionality, fund educational outreach and community partnerships with pilots or to create the pilots, strengthen our case for larger grants and global funding partnerships. Our processes, data collection, we pull high resolution ocean and climate data from satellite sources and environmental databases. We use AI translation to simplify the data and make it accessible to our locals. We deliver real time alerts and data summaries from communities communities via SMS, dashboards, and local partners. Education and outreach. We will engage the schools and NGOs to educate youth and residents on ocean health, resilience, and action planning. And it will have a community feedback loop. There is a problem, and we have a solution. Coastal communities face increasing threats from climate change, ocean pollution, and marine ecosystem loss. While satellite and ocean data exist to monitor these changes, it is often too complex, delayed, or inaccessible for real world. So we need something that's more community level use. As a result, millions are left unprepared and disconnected from the tools that could safeguard their coastlines and livelihoods. In Vista Capital for the Seas, we want to transform that data into real time community ready insight. Our platform uses AI to simplify and localize this data, delivering this data through applications to alerts, mobile alerts, uh, education for schools and outreach programs, interactive dashboards that people could access through their computer, through their phones, and any other system that we could assimilate. Our competitive edge and path to impact. Our competitive landscape. So, right now, data is heavy, inaccessible, and non localized, limited to government, to enterprise level users, not designed for real time alerts or education. Vista for the seas will stand out, and it will be making this data accessible. AI driven localization and community focus, bringing ocean data to the people who need it the most. Our value proposition makes advanced ocean intelligence accessible to underserved community. It empowers local to act on pollution, flooding, and marine degradation. It builds youth ocean stewardship and civic engagement, bridges global satellite tech with hyperlocal relevance. Our risk and mitigation is partnering early with NGOs and schools for trust and access, building low bandwidth version of the remote deployment, and piloting in 2 to 3 diverse coastal regions to refine UX and local engagement. The next 12 months, they will look like finalization of the MVP and satellite data integration, launch pilot programs in 2 to 3 coastal regions, add multilingual and S&M support, and begin scaling up with NGOs and school partners. Financial summary: pre revenue monetization begins post pilot via licensing and service contracts. Cash burn 7,500 a month for the team and marketing. Grants capital raised to date, self-funded, seeking 100,000 to fund the next 12 months for our initial deployments. This is something that needs to happen now. It's something that is so needed right now, and it really is something that can't wait, as we seen the impact of these systems. Um, our SWOT analysis, our strengths: innovative use of satellite plus AI real time localized insight, strong mission driven under the Vista initiative, focus on underserved coastal communities, a clear social impact, education, multi platform delivery through SMS applications, and school outreach. Our weaknesses are pre revenue, early stage product development, limited technical team, resources at our current scale. Satellite data integration may require costly partnerships. Threats: larger players entering the ocean tech space, reliance on third party data sources, community to adopt hurdles in tech challenge regions. Opportunities: expand climate awareness, more funding and partnerships, global demand for coastal resilience, early warning tools, education expansion through school networks and NGOs, potential to white label for governments and institutions. We want to thank you for watching, and if you would like more uh, details on this initiative, you could always visit vistacapitalservice.com/Vista for the Seas. Thank you so much.